There's that. Hey, y'all. Hey. How's everybody doing? Oh, Lord, honey. We're getting it done here today. We are getting ready to make a couple of things here. Well, this first one, though, is going to be... Is that a hair? Wait a minute. Is that a hair on my face? Okay. Oh. Oh. What under the sun? Wow. Getting old is fantastic. I can't wait for y'all to experience it. Lord. Anyway. We're making a bean salad, a dense bean salad, okay? Now, use whatever beans you want. Use whatever veggies you want. This is just what I'm doing. This is an excellent thing to meal prep, to put up, because it's going to keep for about a week in the fridge. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's raise you. You raise me up so I can walk on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas or something like that. I think, since we're doing red tomato, I'm going to go with a different color paper. I've got yellow ones and orange ones. I think a bright yellow would be beautiful. Okay.
What was that? What is that?
I'm doing a video. Behave yourself.
Come on.
All right. Do you want that McDonald's later?
Yeah, I'm going to get my room.
Okay, behave. All right. We're bribing people with McDonald's around here. Don't judge me. All right. So first thing, we're going to chop up some stuff. All right. Now, I'm going to start with this bell. Beautiful yellow bell pepper. We're going to chop it up. Hey, chill out. We've got one today that's he's just so excited about tomorrow. He cannot stand himself. I'm excited too. Not gonna lie. Alright, so we're gonna chop this in our handy dandy chopper upper thingy. We're gonna just lay them in there. Chop. Makes nice, even, consistent pieces. It's fantastic. Makes quick work out of it. You know, who wants to be in the kitchen chopping all day? Not me. I've got other things to do. Okay, so beans, in case you didn't know, are like the ultimate, the ultimate food, I mean. We all need to be eating more beans. This chopper is just, being a silly goose. Okay. Alright. Now we've got that. Is that mold on my Parmesan? Oh man. Is it all that way? Yeah, okay. We're going to have to let the chickens have it, I guess. Poo. Poo. Alright. I'm going to do some shallot. I don't have any onions. That's why. It's not because we're trying to be fancy and just say, add 3 shallots. No. We're doing it because we're out of onions. And I have these, and they need used up anyway. See? So guys, I'm so excited. I am almost completely done with this meal plan, which I'm not going to release it until next Monday. But that way I for sure have it all together. I'm going to meal prep for it. It's going to be fantastic. Lord, I'm so weak today. I don't know what's going on with me. Ugh, I feel like just putting one foot in front of the other is just too much to ask. Hear that rooster? That's one of the young roosters. He's crowing all the time now. He just never shuts up. He just crows all day. Well, Anthony got somewhere. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. Chop. Shallots. Oh, goodness. I'll have to call you back, my love. Oh, goodness. So, shallots kind of have a garlic slash onion taste. I love them. I don't usually keep them in my house because I usually have the garlic. Oh, my God. Y'all, I cannot even. I need to eat something. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure that's my problem. I haven't eaten anything yet, so this will be a welcome treat to myself. Hey, Bandon! Come let Lucy back in. Come let Lucy in.
Is they on his way, Gator?
No, honey, I think he's just at lunch.
No, he's on his
Go
way.
let Lucy in. No, he's on his way.
Hey, cause. Tell him.
If he calls, I got you, buddy. Alright. So we're gonna, I'm sorry, guys. Y'all can't see. Get buttermilk out.
He's out.
I don't want no dogs in here except for the ones that are supposed to be.
Is Juki?
Is Juki in?
Mm-hmm.
She can stay for a little bit, but then she's got to go out too.
She's a good girl.
She is a good girl.
Juki, you good girl. Come on, Juki.
Alright, now this thing does not always, especially soft garden tomatoes, doesn't always do a great job, but it's pretty good. Especially if you can get the smack down on it like that. You just gotta hit it. Okay, so there's one whole tomato and a bell pepper and 2 shallots. We need a bowl. We need the bowl. A big bowl. We gotta whip out the big guns on this one. Hold on. Well, that's not that big, but it'll work. I always say that, and then it doesn't work, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright. Here we go. Are we ready? Oh, no can opener for these. Yay. We're going to chop. We're going to open these up. We're going to rinse and drain. For the love of everything, do not put this bean juice in your salad. I was watching videos on these bean salads the other day, and I seen this girl do that, and I was like, instantly grossed out. These need to be rinsed and drained. Okay. Dark red kidney beans is my first selection. Then I'm going to go with white kidney beans or cannelli beans. Yes, I love them. They're quickly becoming my new favorite bean. But we are going to rinse and drain. Guys, I've been watching the most amazing show on a streaming channel called BritBox. It is not this is not sponsored. I'm just telling you for free. It is called A Woman of Substance. Oh my gosh, you gotta watch it. Okay, cannelli beans. It's white and red kidney beans. Now we're gonna go for some black beans. So I just like black beans. I love them. These are the no salt added black beans. Definitely rinse those things. You don't want any part of that. Anyway, the show is like awesome. And I'm obsessed. And I have been binging as hard as I can binge, watching it. Okay. Now, last but not least, some chickpeas or garbanzo beans. That's fun to say. Garbanzo beans. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I think I'm just giddy. And I also think that I'm excited that tomorrow, my precious boy, oh my gosh, they're so much better than the other ones. The Goya brand. Mwah, yum. There you go. This is so easy. These right here I could eat just by themselves. They're good. Okay, so now we're going to take the tomatoes, shallots, peppers, dump in. I wish I had some fresh parsley, but I don't. So we're going to dump those in. I do have some cilantro, but that is for my pico. Okay. Woo, woo. I'm going to get a lid. Hold on. Okay. Now, we're going to get some, we're going to make some dressing. We'll make some dressing now. Okay, we're going to do a vinaigrette, obviously. Let's do a little bit of olive oil. Yeah. And we're going to do the red wine vinegar today. This is good stuff. Going through it like crazy. A little bit of red wine vinegar. Any vinegar. I mean, you know, whatever. You can do a lot of stuff with this. We're going to put a little, what in the world? I got some white wine vinegar too. We're going to put a little balsamic vinegar in here. Be careful with this. It's got a little sweet in it. It's got a little sugar. Yes, 3 carbohydrates in 1 tablespoon. We're putting a little bit. Now, we are going, ooh, we need to add cucumbers. I forgot cucumbers. I'll add them in, I'll add cucumbers in a little while. Okay. I got this off the clearance rack at Walmart. It's Baja Gold sea salt. Look how cool that is. So we're going to get a good little pinch of that. Put in there. And we're going to do some onion powder. Some California garlic seasoning. onion powder. Alright. Oh man, hold on. You know what? We'll see what it tastes like with just this right now. I'll do some lemon zest flavor. I don't want a big bunch of I don't want heavily dressed. Just want some. Okay. I'll put some. I don't know. Let's taste it. Let's give it a little stir. It definitely needs like a fresh parsley or something like that added to it to give it some herbs. I might pick some up while I'm in town later. Let's just see where we're at right here. Let's just see. Oh my God. Wow. Yum. Oh my gosh. This is delicious. Alright. So, got it all mixed up. And it'll be even better tomorrow after it's had time to sit. Absolutely delicious. And this is for a side dish. This can be a side dish. This can be all kinds of things, but it's definitely good. So I'll see y'all soon. And we'll do some grilled chicken. And we're also gonna make fresh pico today. So see you soon.